Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. So for a couple of years now, I have been making these award badges. I sell them on my Etsy shop. They're a good seller, and it sort of kicks off my holiday season. It gets some traffic to my store. They're very labor intensive, and if you don't like making rosettes, this is not the project for you. I just buy the ribbon. If you don't get the ribbon at a good price, you're not going to make any money at this. And besides the award badges, I also make tree ornaments. This one was using a mold that I had received. There's the moon, the pumpkin, a potion bottle, and a cauldron. I used creative paper, clay, molded it, let it dry, and then I actually used ink to ink it up, and just played around with it. So these are for sale in my Etsy shop. But what happens is I go crazy making all of these rosettes, and I have a bunch left over. My daughter told me she is going to be decorating her restaurant for Halloween, so I told her that I would make some extras of these, and she can do what she wants. I think they have a big Halloween tree, so they can use it. So I'll just go through this real quick and see if you guys get some inspiration. Some of them I just had the rosette and I had the die cut and I just glued it on top. Really, it probably could use an extra layer, but they're not all going to be pieces of art. This one, I had this dimensional sticker in my stash, and that made a nice ornament. That one, I had the boo sentiment in my stash. I think I still have another outline I'm going to put on here of white, and I'll put that on top. These adorable little figures came from a My Favorite Things stamp and die set I had. Here they are. And I had already colored a lot of these little creatures, and I just added them on top of a rosette, another rosette, a glitter medallion that I had cut out on my Cricut, and then a couple of these guys and a little sentiment. So, if you don't want to use them for a Halloween tree, these would make great little gift tags. Put them on a bag, put them on a candy bar, put them on a card, put them in mini albums. I just think they're so versatile, and that's why I went crazy making them. Let me tell you a secret, though. So you would think that's a medallion on the bottom, but you know what that is? It's a cupcake holder that I just sort of smashed. And it has a little bit of dimension to it. Of course, this is a corrugated bulletin board banner, not banner, the border, bulletin board border that I just cut an inch strip and glued it a circle. So if you're not nuts about making medallions, there's cheaper ways of doing it. These are this one and this one. And this trio I had made using an old stamp and die set from Stamping Up from several years ago. I already had the colored images in my stash, so I might as well use them. And then just a couple other purpley tree ornaments or whatever. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you a couple of ideas. Hopefully that'll give you some inspiration. So go ahead and have fun. Have a fabulous day.